In this video, you'll learn how to create pricing tiers in Lovable. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of how to set up various pricing options for your... Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Lovable. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage with various options displayed prominently. Next, look for a message that prompts you with ideas or suggestions. This will typically appear prominently on the homepage and may provide insights into services or features that Lovable offers. After that, click on the Home button located on the navigation menu. This action will redirect you to the main dashboard of your Lovable account, showcasing your projects and options available. Now, type in create a pricing tier in the search bar located at the top of the screen. This search function will help you find relevant resources or tools needed for creating your pricing tiers. Once you've typed in your query, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The system will process your request and display a list of resources related to pricing tier creation. At this point, you will see a message indicating that you are exploring price tier architecture possibilities. This section will provide you with options to customize your pricing tiers based on your needs. Following this, evaluate the different price tier options presented. Take time to review each option carefully, as this will help you determine which pricing structure best fits your business model. Next, you will have the opportunity to review the pricing tiers and their components. This is crucial as it allows you to ensure that the tiers align with your business strategy before finalizing any decisions. After reviewing, click on the Chat AI or prompt feature to add more functionalities to your pricing tiers. This feature will enhance the options available to you, allowing for greater customization. Now, wait for Lovable to generate the app based on the pricing tiers you have set up. The system may take a moment to process your configurations, so be patient while it finalizes the setup. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.